I'm not as concerned so much with what the doctors were doing. My focus was what the drug companies were withholding from doctors concerning the types and magnitude and severity of the side effects of some of these antipsychotic drugs.
And again, you're plaintiff's counsel today, but as a defense counsel representing pharmaceutical companies, if they withheld that information, what is your duty as a practitioner?
Well, Chris, I was honored, frankly, and privileged to represent a drug manufacturer, a pharmaceutical company for more than 3 years. At no time in those 3 years did I ever see my client do anything that approached unethical behavior, much less illegal behavior. But now that I've become a plaintiff's counsel and I'm privy to the documents and testimony of a wide array of drug companies, I have seen, unfortunately, many instances where the drug company who controls most of the data and information about a drug has withheld that from prescribing physicians, and it's a travesty.
And so you kind of had your come to Jesus moment once you changed tats or switched tats and did the research.
Well, the come to Jesus moment was when you're representing injured victims and you realize what few options someone has, a family who has a 7-year-old who has been on antipsychotic medications for 2 years and they've grown female breasts. That's the come to Jesus meeting moment when you realize that something wrong has happened and that it needs to be stopped.
Hang on, though. Everybody knows that antipsychotics cause gynecomastia. That's not news.
Maybe
it's
you
true.
do, but most of the doctors I know don't seem to know much about it.
Again, you can't pass your boards in psych
right,
without
Steve.
knowing that.
But what they don't know is the extent to which gynecomastia can happen.
Yeah.
Well, you know
Everyone knows, a lot of people, a lot of people know it can happen, but what we've found out is drug companies withholding crucial information from prescribers about how often it's happening. And they have a right to know, and their patients have a right to know. And I think you would agree with me, Doctor.